Welcome to Enact, the cloud-based quality intelligence platform from InfinityQS. This multi-part video series demonstrates how Enact brings together and standardizes quality and process data to decrease costs and enable better, faster operational decisions that lead to greater profitability. We encourage you to watch all videos sequentially in order to derive the most benefit. The topics discussed in this video are an introduction to Cheery Chips, our example potato chip manufacturing company, and an overview of Enact process models and part recipes. Cheery Chips, our fictional potato chip producer, has two manufacturing sites, one in Fairfax, Virginia, and the other in Luton, UK. Each site contains two complete production lines. The process for producing potato chips includes slicing the raw potatoes, frying the raw chips, seasoning the cooked chips, and packaging the seasoned chips. Currently, the company makes two flavors and sizes for a total of 4 different packaged varieties. With Enact, we can map this entire process flow using process models, which we'll demonstrate using potato chip packaging as our example. A basic process model consists of inputs, in this case seasoned chips and empty bags, an operation, such as filling the empty bags with chips, and an output, the packaged chips. Enact process models enable us to define the data collections that may occur at various points in the process flow, such as bag quality checks and net weight checks. Process models also support part recipes, which are specific sets of inputs and outputs. In this model, there are 4 part recipes, reflecting each variation of flavor and package size. However, Enact process models can support any number of part recipes. Process models can be linked together to form an entire production process. There's no limit to how many steps or branches may be linked in Enact. Process models can also be shared across multiple sites with similar processes. This enables a very simple solution structure and helps drive process standardization. Thank you for watching the first segment of the Enact video series. This video introduced our fictional potato chip manufacturer, Cheery Chips, and it described how Enact process models and part recipes are used to model your entire production process and data collections. We encourage you to view the entire series of Enact videos to learn more about the power of Enact.